at, Kevin?
Brookhaven.
Brookhaven, Mississippi.
Brookhaven. Been looking at Brookhaven for a long time, but I don't think we've ever been there.
We haven't. What are we going to do there?
We're going to video a really cool house today.
Are we? What's it called? I don't know.
The house.
The house that we're videoing today?
Another big white house. This one I think is like 1929 though, isn't it?
Is that this one?
Isn't it a new house?
I don't know. I don't think that this was that one.
I think this may be in the 1900s.
Ooh.
It's brand new.
That's new.
I know.
Ew. Ew.
Like us. We were born in the 1900s.
Look how cute.
Little fridge. You see the old
Where are
fridge
we?
over there? We're at Betty's in Brookhaven.
It's so cute.
Cool place, yeah.
And how cute is Brookhaven?
It's good.
We'll
show y'all some houses on the way out.
Yeah, there's got to be money close to Brookhaven. In Brookhaven or close to Brookhaven.
Yeah, yeah. It's a nice community so far.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see the house we're here for.
I know, same.
Betty's did not disappoint. Lane went for grilled chicken and a salad.
And then the power went out.
And then the power went out. We're eating. We got our food just in time. So I'm excited though.
So bright.
It's a cute downtown, isn't it?
It's so cute. It's so cute.
Old train station across the road. They've turned into a museum, which is awesome. Y'all are gonna have to tune in Saturday to see this house. Is this something or what?
This is stupid.
It goes and goes and goes.
This is insanity. Like, it is so unbelievable. Do it again. Well, welcome to the formal entryway. That is really that. The finish is.
This because my back was sticking to the chair.
It's hot.
It's so hot.
It's gotten hot. Hot. It's getting hot in here. Natchez.
Still take it over the cold.
But
any day.
should we tell them the weirdest thing ever that happened to us after driving an hour and a half away from our home?
Yes. Yeah. So we walk into. We're recommended by the realtor to go to
In about
Betty's.
10 miles,
Hang on.
turn left
Siri's
onto
talking to
US
us.
61 South.
Okay.
Okay. Betty's restaurant, which was delicious.
Betty's Eat Place or something like that.
Oh, it was good.
It was really good.
Are you done?
I'm done. You tell the story.
We walk in, we sit down, and this waitress walks up that we know really well because she waits on us all the time in Natchez. And I'm like, hey girl!
I thought we left town.
And she's like, oh, hey y'all. And she goes, oh, it's my regulars. And then both of us have this moment of like, but you're in the wrong place.
Yeah.
So then she tells us the whole story of how she ended up like, her neighbor attacked her dog and all these terrible things happened. And so she ended up leaving Natchez and moving to Brookhaven. And it was just the weirdest. It was very weird.
Surreal.
It was very surreal. So that is Surreal Stories with Lane and Kevin. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
I came home to find someone curled up in this clean comforter. Who is it? Is it Balfour?
Yeah.
Is it Balfour snuggled up in the clean?
That's
Oh
right,
my
for me,
goodness. It's a comfy bed for Balfour. Meow. Meow. Mayella. You go outside. You go outside, go buddy. Go outside, go buddy. Come on.
Our watchdog's keeping us safe from Eddie. But Eddie and Kevin are marking out where we're about to build a fence. And we're gonna build the fence so we can bring Jack and Stanley to Natchez to live in the tiny cottage with us. What do you think about that, Mayella?
What do you think about Jack and Stanley coming?
I know, that's what I think. But they need to be here with us, so that's what we're gonna do. Little picket fence. Won't that be cute though? Picket fence all around the front.
Hello. 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 Sleepy. Don't get this looking nice. Somebody touch our windows?
Don't touch the windows.
Don't ever touch our windows.
Do not touch there's no reason for these windows to ever be open while we are not present. But I got real mail.
Yay, okay. It's gonna turn into a daily thing.
I know, I love it.
I know, I do too.
Oh, look at the vintage birthday card. I love it. Look at it.
That's good.
Oh, it's a pop-up.
Dang, that is
I love
fancy.
it.
That
May
is
your
fancy.
day be sunny, your heart be light, and your path through the years joyously bright. From Olivia. Oh, my sweet Olivia. Oh. I will absolutely cherish and appreciate this pop-up one, Olivia. Thank you so much.
So what happened to your windows? You came up here.
Somebody touched my windows.
Oh no, they're not to be
And
touched.
I don't think they know how delicately and precisely placed all of these windows are at present. And here's my thing. This is 200-plus-year-old glass. It needs to be treated with kid gloves.
Yeah.
This is not like be flinging the windows open. And why would you even need to have the windows open? Nobody's working in this house. Nobody needs a breeze. And if you need a breeze, turn a fan on. There's plugs and fans everywhere.
Open the doors
Don't
first.
touch my windows. Don't touch.
So we'd always planned on putting a little picket fence down here. Kind of ran out of time and started moving up to the main house, but Eddie's gonna put one in for us. And then we're gonna bring our crazy young dogs down there and try to keep them in. We'll see what life like 2 crazy huge dogs is like in a tiny cottage. What do you say, kittens? Say goodbye, everybody. Thanks for watching our vlog. Thanks for watching our vlog. Bye. What do you say, Lane?
Thanks for watching our vlog. Bye.
Bye.